Hi there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a very quick tutorial on how you can mute and unmute yourself in Microsoft Teams during meetings. So this is really quick and easy. The first thing that you will do is of course go to your Teams to your Microsoft Teams, and once you're here, you will just have to click the Meet section, which is right here. And now that you're here, you will just have to join a Teams meeting. So just go ahead and click join if you haven't already, and just wait for it to connect. So now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to by the way, you will have to make sure that you've already enabled all the access to your audio devices and all that stuffs. And then what you will have to do is you will just have to click this, and then you will just have to click it again to mute or to unmute. You will just have to do it over and over again. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, you should also make sure to mute yourself when you're not speaking to reduce the background noise. And I hope this video was helpful. And if it was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.